Today we're gonna look at how to undo a telephony or a handheld shower head. Let's say the purpose might be just replacing the washer or replace the head entirely. So I'm gonna show you how it's done. Step one, if there is a drain, make sure it's covered, that you don't lose anything down the drain. Step two, you grab the handheld shower head and you start undoing it from down below. You see, I could undo it with bare hands, but let's say in your case it's very tight. Make sure you can have a channel lock. Make sure you don't leave any scratches on the part that joining to the shower head. You can do a quarter turn, put the channel lock away and start undoing it. So now let's assume that you're replacing it with a new one going to come in place. Make sure the washer is in place. So now I'm tightening it back. Or let's say you're replacing both the handheld shower head and the hose. So what you can do, you can undo it from wherever it's connecting. So this one is a bit tighter than I can handle it with my hands. So I'm gonna go a quarter turn or 1/8 of a turn with a channel lock. Now I can undo it. A new hose is coming. Make sure the washer is in place. Put it back in place. Just imagine it's a new shower head, handheld shower head and new hose. It's all installed. If you want to be just a bit more cautious, you can go just a quarter turn with the channel lock to tighten everything down, and that's all.